13 tips. Become a topper. There is a bonus tip at the end, so watch it till the end. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technoshala Assam. If you have not subscribed it yet, please subscribe. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Study environment. Yes, always study on table. This increases concentration, easy access to study materials. Please never study on bed. This reduces your concentration and you tend to feel sleepy. So up next is tip 2. Set realistic goals. Yes, always know your limit. Always set a study duration that you will be able to follow. Always start studying by 2 hours per day and keep on increasing it. Do not fool yourself. Do not compare your timings to that of others. Do not go to study for 12 hours per day in the beginning only. So set realistic goals. Tip 3. Do not set timing. Always set time durations in hours. Example, I will study for 5 to 6 hours today. That's it. Never set timing. Example, आज तो 6 बजे से 8 बजे तक पढ़ूंगी. ऐसा नहीं. If by chance it misses, you lose your confidence. So always set timing in hours. After that, tip 4. Please use the break time method. Yes, if you are thinking to study for 6 hours, then break it into 3 parts of 2 hours each. Do not go for a studying as a whole. Always break it into small chunks. Tip 5. Challenge yourself. Take a 21 days challenge. Challenge creates a spark in you to study and try to follow the routine set by you consistently. Tip 6. Memory booster. Yes, study with creativity. Do not stick to one subject. Always study 3 subjects per day. Changing subjects boosts your memory. Tip 7. Difficult to easy. Yes, always start with the difficult subject. After that, study the easy subject. And lastly, study the interesting subject. Tip 8. Be the teacher. Imagine yourself to be the teacher. Imagine yourself to be teaching someone. Try to teach in front of the mirror. This is a very effective one. Tip 9. Best time to study. Many of you ask me what is the best time to study. So for competitive exams, morning, school student evening, college student according to class timing, specifically night time. Up next is tip 10, that is set subjects beforehand. Yes, you should always set subjects beforehand. The subjects you will study tomorrow should be selected the night beforehand. Yes, ये कल मेरे को पढ़ना है. Then tip 11, short timetable. So always make short timetable. Start by making for 1 day and increase it to a maximum of 7 days. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. मतलब 1 महीने का timetable नहीं बनाना है हमको. Maximum 7 दिन का बनाना है. Tip 12, formula notebook. Maintain a small notebook for formulas. अगर आप साइंस बैकग्राउंड से हैं एंड इफ आर्ट्स बैकग्राउंड से है तो इम्पोर्टेंट डेट्स ये सब लिखने के लिए एक फॉर्मूला नोटबुक बनाया करें. टिप 13, क्रॉसिंग द लिस्ट. ऑलवेज राइट डाउन द टू डू लिस्ट. मतलब क्या करना है वो लिस्ट करके लिख लीजिए एंड कीप ऑन क्रॉसिंग द थिंग्स आफ्टर इट इज डन एंड दिस हेल्प्स यू टू बूस्ट योर कॉन्फिडेंस. So tip 13 is very important. So you made it till the end. So here is the bonus tip. The bonus tip says that create a story. Yes, make a story while studying. Please relate the study materials to yourself. This helps you to memorize things forever. सच में स्टोरी बनाया करें और देखना कि आपका स्कोर कितना अच्छा हो जाता है. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. And meet you until next Monday. Don't forget to subscribe. Please hit the like button and please share and subscribe.